Hello students, welcome back again to maths class. Today we will discuss part 3 from our chapter 1, that is the fish tail. In our previous video we have discussed about fishermen, different types of boat. Do you remember different types of boat? Yes, motor boat, log boat, trawlers and their speed. Today we are going to learn some topics. Let's check out, that is some big numbers, lakh and crore and the fish market. So let's start. Student, you have already learned about numbers in your previous class, right? You have learned the 5-digit number, the largest 5-digit number, that is 99,999 in your previous class, right? Now what comes next when we add 1 to it? Yes, 1 lakh. Okay, so let's start the discussion of lakhs in this video. In the class 4, you have heard the number lakh, which is equal to 100,000. Do you remember how to write 1000? Yes, let's see. What other things have you heard of in lakhs? Means आपने कौन सी और चीज़ें lakhs में सुनी है, okay? Like 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 10 lakh, etc. Come on, guess it. Yes, many of you are guessing so many things, right? Let me tell you the current situation जो अभी चल रहा है. आप लोग ने लैक्स में क्या सुना है और क्या सुन रहे हो इस टाइम पे? एक्टिव केसेस ऑफ कोरोना, राइट? अपने इंडिया में एक्टिव केसेस अभी मोर देन 3 लाख हो चुके हैं, राइट? सो वी आर हियरिंग दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स इन लैक्स. ओके, सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट मोर थिंग्स दैट वी हियर इन लैक्स. ओके, कैन आई राइट हियर पॉपुलेशन ऑफ अ सिटी? यस, पॉपुलेशन ऑफ city. Do we hear population in terms of lakh? Yes. What else can you hear in terms of lakh? Come on, think. Yes, price or cost of car. So we can write here price of car also we hear in terms of lakh. It can be many things. So this is your task. Write about more things that you hear in terms of lakh. Okay, so this will be homework for you. Now let's read the next question. Write the number 1000. Do you remember how to write 1000? Yes, we write 1000 like this. 1 and then how many zeros? Yes, 3 zeros. So this is 1000. When there are 3 zeros, we call it 1000. And how do we read this number? The number towards the left of 30 we will write 1. Okay, remember we read like this when only zeros are given, and rest you have already learned in first video, right? So this is 1000. How many zeros are there in 1000? 3. Like this we can write another number, 3 zeros with 8. So it will be 8000. Okay, and if I write here 21, so this 30 we read as 1000. And how many thousand? 21,000. Good. So now let's read further. Now write 100,000. Now question is saying write 100,000. Can you write? Come on, try to write, then I will show you how to write. Done? Now let's check. Just now we have studied that in 1000 there are how many zeros? 3. So 3 zeros, and what is given towards the, what number is given? 100. So we will place towards the left 100,000. Have you all written like this? Yes. Now this is such a big number. Do you know what do we call to this number? Yes, we call it 1 lakh. Okay, so let's divide the 0 like this. So how many zeros are there in lakh? 5 zeros. So next question, see here. So how many zeros are there in the number 1 lakh? How many zeros are there? 5 zeros. Got it? Similarly, we learned that 5 zeros are read as lakh and any number can be placed just towards the left of it. Now, we will read it 21 lakh. Okay? So, do you remember place value? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay? So, what you have to write in this question? Write the number 1000. Now, write 100,000 जो कि आपने लिखा. So, how many zeros are there in number 1 lakh? So, how many zeros are there in 1 lakh? Yes, 5 0. So, you have to write here. Okay? So, this will be again homework for you. Understood? Easy now? Okay. Now, let's read further. There are about 2 lakh. Okay. Now again lakh. There are about 2 lakh boats in our country. Half of them are without a motor. Okay. तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में क्या बात हो रही है? हमारे कंट्री में कितने बोट्स हैं? 2 lakh. How many zeros are there in lakh? 5. Okay. And what the number is given? 2. So 2 lakh means 2 and 5 zeros. So how many boats are there in our country? 2 lakh. Okay. Now half of them are without a motor. Half. Okay. Half आप सबको पता है ना? Suppose this is a cake and half of cake. यहाँ पे pineapple flavor है and यहाँ पे strawberry. Okay. Half and half makes full. Similarly here, half of 2 lakh is what? Without motor boat. Okay. Without motor. So other half क्या हो जाएंगी? Yes, with motor. हमने पढ़ी थी ना प्रीवियस क्लास में different types of boat. Without motor कैसे चलती है? With the help of oars, fishermen चलाते हैं. And with motor there are many boats. Okay. So now half of them are without motor. So 2 lakh का half कितना होगा students? Very good. 1 lakh. Okay. So here we got 1 lakh boats without motor and half कर दिया इसका तो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? Another half. So we got another half with motor. Read the question. क्या पूछा है क्वेश्चन में? What is the number of boats with a motor? Question is asking what is the number of boats with a motor? आपको बताना है मोटर वाली बोट्स कितनी है. तो कितनी है मोटर वाली बोट्स? Yes, 1 lakh. क्योंकि हमने हाफ किया था तो हाफ विदाउट मोटर एंड हाफ इज with motor. So what you will write here? 1 lakh boats are with motor. So student, what we have learned that when we have to divide any number into half, that means in 2 equal parts. Okay. So we have to divide that number by 2. Okay. हम जब भी किसी चीज़ का हाफ करते हैं तो हमें उसको किससे डिवाइड करना होता है? 2 से. So here we will divide 2 lakh with 2. Okay. So 2 lakh. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 and all the zeros will come here. Okay. 2 zeros are 0 and so on, all the zeros will carry. So how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Okay. So half of 2 lakh will be 1 lakh. Okay, when we have to do half, we divide the number with 2. Okay, so is that clear? So how many boards are there with a motor? 1 lakh. So you have to write here. Okay, again this will be homework. Solve it by yourself. And let's move to the next question about 1/4. Now what is 1/4? You have studied in your previous class about fraction, right? So how do we write 1/4? हम 1/4 को कैसे लिखते हैं? 1/4. This is 1/4. Okay. About 1/4 of the boards with a motor. Okay. About 1/4 of the boards with a motor are big machine board. क्या बोल रहा है क्वेश्चन? 1/4 किसकी 1/4? किसका 1/4? जो बोर्ड्स विथ मोटर है. तो हमने अभी इस क्वेश्चन में निकाला ना, बोर्ड विथ मोटर्स आर हाउ मेनी? 1 lakh. ओके, सो 1 lakh का 1/4 क्या है? आर बिग मशीन बोर्ड. आर big machine board. So how we find out? Simple. 1/4 of motor board. और motor board हमने कितनी निकाली है अभी? 1 lakh. So 1/4 of motor board जो है वो क्या है? Big machine boards. Is it? So question is asking how many thousand machine boards are there? मतलब कितने 1000 मशीन बोर्ड है. ओके, सो वी हैव टू सॉल्व इट. तो हमें आंसर आ जाएगा. नाउ डू यू नो व्हाट इज 1/4? 1/4 इज हाफ ऑफ हाफ. नाउ लेट मी शो यू हाफ. हाफ का भी हाफ 1/4 होता है. पता है? सी 1 1 जा 1 and 2 2 जा 4. Got it? So always remember 1/4 is half of half. ठीक है? Let's check out this. अब आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो 1 lakh into 1 करेंगे तो 1 lakh upon 4. 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे अपन 1 lakh. ओके, so let's check out 1 lakh divide by 4. 4 1 जा 4. Yes. 4 2 जा 8. We will write here 8. 10 minus 8 2. 0 यहाँ पे लेके आएंगे. Then 4 how many times? Yes. 4 5. 4 into 5 times 20. Okay. 4 5 are 20. Then we will carry all the zeros. Okay. Like this. So क्या आंसर आया? 1/4 of 1 lakh. कितना आया? 25,000. So how many big machine boards are there? 25,000 big machine boards are there. Now अभी मैंने क्या बताया था आपको? 1/4 is half of half. Right? तो चेक कर लेते हैं क्या ये 1 lakh का हाफ है क्या? So now what will be the half of 1 lakh? अभी हमने हाफ सीखा ना कैसे करते हैं? डिवाइड बाय 2. कम ऑन, डिवाइड करिए 1 lakh को 2 से एंड फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द हाफ ऑफ 1 lakh. इज इट 50,000? यस. हाफ ऑफ 1 lakh विल बी 50,000. ओके, आपको करके देखना है इस बार. नाउ अगेन 1 lakh का हाफ हमने क्या किया है? 50,000 and the another half will be 50,000. अब हमने क्या बोला है? 1/4 हाफ का भी हाफ होता है. राइट? सो अब हम 50,000 का अगेन हाफ करेंगे. सो डू इट. 2 2 जा 4. Then 2 5 जा 10. All the zeros हम क्या करेंगे? फिर ऐसे कैरी फॉरवर्ड करते हैं. राइट? एंड सो ऑन. कितने जीरोज आए? 25,000 सो यस. So students always remember 1/4 वाले जो भी question है means हम number के half का half करते हैं. Got it? So how many big machine boards are there? How many thousand? Big machine boards are 25,000. Understood? Practice at home. So let's proceed further. 100 lakh. Okay? Let's read. We might wonder about the number of people whose lives are related to fish. In all, there are about 100 lakh fish worker. Okay? तो यहाँ पे किसकी बात हो रही है? People whose lives are related to fish, जिनकी lives fish से related and they are fish workers, right? And कैसे workers होते हैं? Who catch fish, clean and sell them, make and repair net and boats and etc. Okay? So these are fish workers जिनकी life related होती है किससे? Fish से. तो कितने fish worker हैं? 100 lakh. How do we write this? अभी हमने पढ़ा ना lakh में how many zeros are there in lakh? 5. Very good. And what is the number written before lakh? 100. So come on, write 100 lakh. Okay. We also have name for this big number. Which number? 100 lakh. 100 lakh is called crore. Let's check how to write 100 lakh. 5 zeros in lakh, okay, and 100. See, ones, tens, hundreds. Do you remember the place value? I have taught you in first video, right? Ones, tens, hundred. This will be 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So this is 100 lakh which is also known as, which is also called crore. Okay? So is it clear? Now check how many zeros are there in crore. Count. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 zeros. So such a big number. Okay. Let's continue with the questions given. Where have you heard of a crore? जैसे हमने लैक्स में बात की थी ना कि हमने लैक्स के बारे में कहाँ सुना है. सेम क्वेश्चन है. Where have you heard of a crore? What was the number used for? Okay. So can you write the things which you have heard in crore? Again population of a country हो सकती है. Okay. अभी हमने उसमें population of city की बात की थी. अब हम population of country अगर पूरी लेंगे तो it will be in crore. Okay. And you can write many more things. Population of a country. Okay. और भी चीज़ें होती हैं crore में. So again this is your homework. Write down the things which you have heard in crore. Now next is very easy question. Try writing the number 1 crore. कैसे लिखेंगे हम 1 crore? कितने zeros होते हैं 1 crore में? crore में कितने zero होते हैं? 7, right? And we will write 1 before it. Don't get lost in all the zeros. So this is some big number which we have studied today. Okay. So we have studied about lakh and crore. Lakhs have how many zeros? 5 and crore have 7 zeros. Okay. So try to do all these questions.